Welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are also highly welcome. In this lecture, we'll be looking at the differences between the internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincter. I have done a comprehensive lecture on the anal sphincters. If you've not checked that lecture out, please kindly go and do so to keep yourself updated. But for the purpose of this class, we will be looking at the differences between the internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincter. So we'll look at the internal anal sphincter versus the external anal sphincter. So looking at the differences, I have tried to put up these differences in a tabular form in case we are asked during the examination. We can go through this lecture to be able to establish those differences. So this is the internal anal sphincter here, arrowed in black. We already described in our previous lecture that the internal anal sphincter is seen to surround the anal canal at its superior two-thirds, while the external anal sphincter here, arrowed in yellow, is seen to surround the external part of the internal anal sphincter. And this is seen to surround the anal canal at its inferior two-thirds. So going through the differences, we can say that the internal anal sphincter is seen to surround the anal canal at the superior two-thirds, while the external anal sphincter is seen to surround the anal canal at the inferior two-thirds. Also, the internal anal sphincter is made up of smooth muscle, while the external anal sphincter is made up of the skeletal or sphincter muscle. So we can say that the internal anal sphincter is an involuntary type of sphincter because it is made up of smooth muscle. The external anal sphincter is a voluntary type of sphincter because it is made up of a skeletal or sphincter type of muscle. This means that the internal anal sphincter will be of involuntary control. We do not have control over this sphincter because it's made up of smooth muscle. The external anal sphincter is a voluntary type of sphincter, which means that this sphincter is under voluntary control. So we have the control over the action of the external anal sphincter because it is made up of a skeletal or sphincter type of muscle. Also, to add to the differences between the internal and the external anal sphincter, the internal anal sphincter is innervated by autonomic nerves, while the external anal sphincter is innervated by the pudendal nerve, which is a somatic type of innervation. You can also add to these differences, and I'll be looking forward to seeing that in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. Let's continue to stay glued to this channel.